Hello everyone, this is Anuj from gadgetgig. So we're back with one more budget trimmer video, and today we have with us the Vega P2 Beard Trimmer. And in this video, we're going to do the unboxing and we'll show you how this trimmer performs. So here is a box of the Vega P2 Beard Trimmer. In the front we have the picture of the trimmer, and here we have the features such as 40 length settings, titanium blades, you get the travel lock, 160 minutes operation time, and at this side we can see that this trimmer can work both corded and cordless. At the other side we can see that you get the USB charging support and 2 COM attachments. At the back of the box we have the key features, and here we can see we get the 800 mAh battery in this trimmer which will last up to 160 minutes. The MRP on the box is Rs 1099. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So in the box first we have the documentation, and here we have the warranty card, and guys, you get 1 year warranty with this trimmer. And then we have the user guide, and here we have the traveling pouch which is of good quality. After that we get the charging cable, and guys, it's a micro USB cable and the length is sufficient to use the trimmer while it's plugged in. And after that we have the trimmer itself with some attachments. So guys, first of all, I find this trimmer very lightweight and the build quality feels pretty good. It looks sleek and easy to hold. We will look at the trimmer in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get the 2 COM attachments, and with this we get the lens settings from 0.5mm to 20mm, giving you total of 40 lens settings. Then in the box we have the cleaning brush, and after that we have the oil which you need to use before and after using the trimmer. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the trimmer closely. Vega P2 Beard Trimmer is a budget trimmer for your everyday usage. Looking at the design and build quality, I find it pretty good, and the trimmer is also lightweight. And due to its sleek design, it's easy to operate. In terms of the overview, we get this glossy metallic finish in the front, giving this trimmer a nice look and feel. On the top we have the titanium blade in this trimmer, and they're also washable. In the middle we have the rotary knob by which you can set the desired length for trimming. And then here we have the power button. And guys, as mentioned earlier, we get the travel lock in this trimmer which you can activate by long pressing the power button for 3 seconds. And to be honest, this is very useful when the trimmer is in your luggage while traveling. Now looking at the bottom, we have the micro USB charging cable, and about the charging time for this trimmer is just 90 minutes. Now in terms of the usage, guys, I've been using this trimmer for a few days now, and I can say, keeping in mind the pricing, this trimmer performance is very good. And also, as the trimmer is lightweight and easy to hold, usage wise, I didn't face any issue with this trimmer. So overall the Vega P2 Beard Trimmer offers ease of usage, the design and build quality is very good, and keeping in mind the pricing, this budget trimmer offers a lot of features. Design and build quality wise, they're very good, and the sleek design is also an advantage. So to sum it up, if you're in the market for a budget, easy to use trimmer for your daily usage, then we highly recommend you to check out the Vega P2 Beard Trimmer. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Vega P2 Beard Trimmer. Let us know if you like it, and also do tell us if you have any queries or questions about this trimmer in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel gadgetgig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.